Pretend you're doing something, Philip.
You want me to unwrap? Want me to unwrap?
Away.
Okay. Let's try. I need.
You always take this white stuff off, though. This white stuff you always take off.
Oh, I know. I mean, thanks for the tip.
Well, if it cooks, it gets too hot, right?
What? The white stuff?
Yeah, the seeds. You always take the
he's
seeds.
just talking about the white stuff inside the pepper.
I know.
What about these mushrooms? What are we going to do with these?
Chop them up.
Let's see the mushrooms.
Going in after they're cooking.
Do you want me to wash them, or do you just use them the way they are?
Use them like that.
Wait, I missed that face. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's pretty serious stuff.
How you feeling, sous chef?
Pretty good, pretty good. I'm a sous chef?
Yeah.
What does that mean, literally?
It means like an apprentice.
Assistant.
Yeah.
Nice. Are these normally washed? Are these clean?
Look at this fine cutting.
Criminy? That's a lot of footage on there.
I know. I'm almost done. Well, my hand's shaking. I don't know if this is going to turn out any good. Okay, something is steaming and boiling on the stovetop. Is this something we want?
Yeah, we're making brown rice here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's gone. It's going good.
All right.
We're good with that.
So everyone said, okay, see you later.
All right, bye. Meet us at the dinner table.
Okay.
For lunch.
Let me look at the pan in progress.
Oh.
Very pretty.
Pretty. Look at the light.
Yeah, look at that.
That pretty.
It is pretty.
Very,
Okay.